I needed to create a brand new video because Facebook has changed everything. It changed their entire platform. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Obviously, what you need to do first is go into the Ads Manager and then go to Custom Conversions. You can also find it in all tools and then just click on Custom Conversions. Alright, now inside of Custom Conversions, let's just say, for example, if you have a specific page and this page is the thank you page, right? So let's say they go to a landing page first and then they sign up on that landing page. They enter their name and email and phone number. Then they're going to be redirected to a thank you page that says thanks so much. Alright, we already know that. Alright, so if you're inside of ClickFunnels, you might use a thank you page or the next step might be an application page. But what you're going to want to do is you want to grab that URL, that next page URL. So if I click on this, okay, I'm going to wait for the URL to finish loading, and then I'm going to grab this URL right here. This is it. I don't need to grab the whole HTTP. I just need to grab what it kind of has. So just copy that, okay, and then I go into the custom conversion. I click on create a conversion, and then I'll just put that URL in here. The URL contains this, right? And then I can structure the name. So we want to name it exactly what it is. First it's a lead, so type it leads, and then I'm going to name it the actual name of the funnel that I call this funnel. And this funnel is FitPro Sales Letter Funnel. So we'll call this FitPro Sales Letter Funnel. And then I'm categorize this as a lead. Of course, there's not going to be a valued lead. I mean, they're not paying anything. It's just to sign up. And just click create, and then that's how you do it. Now, once you have that set and done, it's going to show up in red. So see, this is red right here. Let me actually do it so you can see. Lead, FitPro Sales Letter, categorize lead, create. Alright, so now it's created, right? And notice how it says no activity yet. Alright, so once you have that done, you're going to want to go here and refresh that page. Refresh that page. Alright, and once that page is refreshed, now we can go back and refresh this page. And then once this page is refreshed, you're going to see it be green. So it's active, last minute. So they'll just literally visit that page. That's why it's active right now. And that's what you want to do. Then, now once you have this active, you can go into and make sure that you can start tracking this in your ads campaigns. Before you do all of this stuff, you're going to want to make sure that if you at first have this pixel in the page. So of course, you're going to want to go to pixels. And once you click on pixels, you can click on add a data source. Oh, I can only create one pixel. If you already have it created, you won't have to do that, okay? So since I already created it, it won't show. But if I click on details, it's going to obviously give me this pixel if I click on setup. And then manually install it myself. And then if you scroll on down here, you can copy this. You can use advanced matching parameters if you want to, and that can kind of match different sectors and different things per the URL, and other ways about how they do it too. Or you can keep it simple and just copy this code. So once I copied this code, now I can go into the funnel. Now I don't have to put this code in per page. That's like really wasting your time. If you want to do that, do it, but I like to do things simple and easy. So I just go to settings, and I want to put the pixel on the entire funnel, all 3 pages at once, and then I normally just put this inside of my header. I just copy and paste it, and then save it. And that pixel is in my page, inside of my ClickFunnels page. So now every single page will have it, and it'll start tracking. Okay, now once you've got that set up, then you can go into your funnel, and I can go into this really beautiful looking funnel right in here. And let's just say that I want to start tracking this funnel. Okay, I want to start tracking that pixel. Let's just do it the old-fashioned way. Let's create a brand new one. So if I click on campaign name, brand new one, I normally like to name this, easy and simple. Okay, so just go in. What's the name of the funnel? FitPro Sales Letter. So I'll just name it the same name of the funnel. FitPro Sales Letter Funnel. Then I'll just I might date it as today, like 03/31/2018. Now this is where it gets tricky. This is a default, and then some people don't even do nothing with it. It's like, all right, traffic, let's do it. But you don't want to do traffic. You want to obviously go here to conversions. Okay? And then your key result. I don't really like doing this. It just makes things, really weird looking. I'll just choose none of these apply. And then I can create my ad set 1, and my add 1, save to draft. And obviously, I can go in there and start digging. So inside of the ad set level, I click on edit, and now I can go ahead and optimize for that particular cell that I wanted. Remember, it's FP, not cell, but lead. And let's see, where is it? There it is. I had to refresh my page to find it. Lead FPSL. And now what's going to happen is I'm told Facebook, say, hey Facebook, how you doing? I want to optimize. That means I want to try to get more of this people who go to this page. That means the people who visit the thank you page. So Facebook's going to say, hey Art, I got you. So I'm going to try to get you more of these type of people. So now it's going to start, helping me track how many leads I'm getting, and how much I'm paying per lead, and which ads are getting me the best leads. So this is kind of what you want to try to optimize for. One suggestion though is when you first start off, how long does it take for them to click that ad and then sign up on your landing page? Probably not that long, right? Maybe 1 day. So you don't have to use 7 days, okay? Just use 1 day click, all right? 1 day click could do that, and it won't take that long. So if you do choose a 7-day window attribute, that means if they click this ad today and just that landing page just stays there on their computer for 7 days, maybe like on the 6th day, 5th day, or whatever they sign up, that ad will still get credit. Okay, so you don't need to do that. You just 1 day click is all you need, because once you start doing longer windows, you might have one person click the ad and don't sign up, and then that same person might click the second ad and then sign up, and now you've got these ads taking credit for both of them, and now your data is saying that you got 2 leads when you only got 1. You don't want that to happen. Okay, hope that helped, and if you have any questions, just type to me in the chat box, and I'll be happy to help you out and help you get that created.